Okay, I'm recording, trying to find out what this noise is. I have no idea. I have no idea, unless it's like a toad or something.
I think it is a toad.
You think it is? I don't know. Maybe it'll make it again if you're quiet enough. There it is. It's two of them. I can't see what it is. I don't see anything. I don't know. It's like a little nest over there or something.
I see something long over there.
Maybe it'll make it one more time and then I'm going to stop the video.
I think that's a slithering snake in the water.
Hope they made it at the same time. I hope it's not a snake. All right.